Hi, it's Joan. This week I picked a hand from a special event because I wanted to highlight how dangerous it is to make a double which your partner lives in, whether you mean it for penalties or what, of a part score. For example, two hearts or two spades, if you double and it's left in, or three clubs or three diamonds, doubled, that doubles the opponents or the declaring side into game. So two hearts or two spades making eight tricks only and not vulnerable becomes doubled 470. Vulnerable, it's even worse, it becomes 670 because you doubled them, and even though they only made eight tricks and they had to, they got the game bonus. It's the same with the minors. So three diamonds or three clubs doubled, making nine tricks, is 470 not vulnerable, 670 vulnerable, whereas it was really, in both cases, only going to be 110. So the bidding was interesting on this hand in that I made what is like a negative double. But when you overcall, we don't call them negative doubles, but your double, when the other side has shown a fit, a double by you after partner has bid, is not penalty. It's just saying, I have both the other suits and I've got some values. That's how I meant it anyway. And my partner did the right thing and bid his second suit, and then they doubled for penalties. Well, the result is as you can see. So you need to play it well to make it, but it's also very dangerous to double three of a minor or two of a major. So have a look at the hand and try it yourself. Play it. You might need to play it more than once, but have a great week, everyone. Here's a situation on a hand that came up during a national event recently, and we were in the south seat and partner had overcalled a spade. We had no spades. We could, because an overcall's not forcing, we could of course passed and hoped to defend hearts, but that didn't feel the right thing to do to me. And you've got values in the minors, so why not make a double? A double would never be a penalty double. It would say, partner, I've got values, I can't raise spades, because the first option we would take in a competitive auction is to raise partner's suit. So double would say, I don't have spade support. They've found the three club bid, which is great. They must have five spades and four clubs, and we'd pass. This double by East is for penalty. So someone will have probably four clubs. Whenever someone doubles for penalty, particularly at a low level, they've usually got four trumps. How to play this hand? Trump the first heart. We think that the hearts are 5 and 3, so East will probably follow to 3 hearts. We need to be careful when we trump the next one. So what to do next? Don't touch trumps. Trump that. Trump that one, because I think this 10 is the last heart of East. So trump here. So if we are going to trump this last heart, don't trump with the 9, trump with the king. Sure enough, East started with 3 hearts. Now we've got 5 tricks, 6, 7. We might make this contract. So let's play a spade again. That worked. And cash the ace of diamonds. The Queen of Diamonds is a winner if we can ever get to it. They've trumped. So now trump that. There's the king. We've made 9 tricks. Take the ace of clubs. and we will not make any more. It was pretty amazing that we made them, because as we can now see, the person who doubled had 4 trumps to the queen 10. Whenever someone doubles a part score, always expect that they will have 4 trumps at least. However, we made it for a big score of 470 points.